Yo, what's going on, guys? What's going on? How are we doing? Ideally, I would wanted to see higher today, but we'll see. I think if we get above this OB up here in the 5 minute, I'll jab longs, but we do have data lows down there just in case. Gonna wait this out a little bit and see what we get. CPI was neutral, got a nice little pump. I'm back down a little bit. All right, what do you guys think? Bearish or bullish today? I think I'm looking for upside this morning. Maybe like a data low sweep and go. Uh-oh. What did I do? I don't know what I did. One second, chat. I don't know what the fuck I did. I don't know what I did. Give me a second. Okay, we're back. I don't know what the fuck I did. All right. Moving back up a little bit. Like I said, I want to see upside today. This is ideally what we get. If we get 26.1 today, that'd be great. Would be fantastic. Yeah, I took previous day high. I'm kind of looking for external liquidity though. We've been kind of flirting with these highs for a while now. Like, we come up and like not take them out. So this is gonna be our like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th attempt. And then obviously from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 5 attempts here. So like 10th overall attempt of getting into that daily fair value gap. If we get above the 5 minute OB, I'll take this. The ES still has a 5 minute gap, so I don't want to front run this or something like that. Or rather wait for a higher time frame. Like a 5 minute or something, because ES is a little bit weaker. We're still rejecting this 5 minute gap on ES, so let it be in sync first, and then we'll be good. Restaurant. SMT down here for now, which is good. Like, I think we're gonna go up, but might be a little bit tricky on how we go up, if that makes sense. If I ever jab in the next 4 hour, yeah, like when the 4 hour opens, I would be interested. Well, for now, you guys see this ES 5 minute. I'm kind of just being a little bit cautious on that right here. ES is rejecting this 5 minute. I'd rather be safe than sorry here. Pretty early. I'll just look at YouTube, honestly, because there's so much to options. Slow grind to PDH. I hope so. Kind of what I'm going for. PDH would be good. Yeah, NQ's a lot stronger. Do I want to jab this with the equal low sitting lower? This 5 minute close here, I think I'm gonna jab this. Or this 15 minute. We'll get a 15 minute OB here. I'm like I said, I'm pretty bullish on NQ today. Just ES needs to kind of pick up. Nice fucking pump, bro. I wanted to take NDX calls there, but I didn't. I mean, so the Discord took QQQ calls for later in the month, or later in the week. So I had those going, but I wanted NDX right there as well. I didn't get a fill. Kind of hesitated on NDX. Didn't want to end up chasing. But NQ seems more eager than ES. ES is still rejecting that 5 minute. It's pretty weak. Send me. Yeah, ES is a little meh. We have SMT in that 15 minute gap, which makes it good. It's 15-minute closes. We should go higher because 15 minutes gonna be a very important, or a very strong close. Excuse me, on NQ. I'm gonna start Discord stream. I think I'm gonna grind out YouTube a little bit more, but we're gonna do recaps and stuff starting soon. Yeah, we going. What's the R on this? Not bad. This R is not bad for upside. Only issue I have it, the first TP would be too quick. What do you mean? Why it's long? I'm kind of. If yeah, I'm not. This is exactly why I'm not long in this because ES is just doing some bullshit over here. I think if we get all right now, I'll be open to long in this. If we get some S&T down here again, and we go back up, I'm happy. We got equal highs, but I've been kind of holding off because ES is just not giving me good vibes here. Normally, this is like a setup I take 10 out of 10 times, right? But if you look at the 5 minute, ES rejecting that 5 minute gap made me kind of hesitate. Now, if we create like a 1 minute gap and we inverse it, I'll definitely take that to the upside, but that's about it. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. Endo. But I think if we go to data high, we're not coming back up. I don't think we are. Data high is pretty far away. Data high is pretty far. You got fucked short, and I'm getting fucked longing. You're taking 2 trades in the first 16 minutes. Nice. Just practice some patience, man. I'm down 2K 5K on eval this month. Are you full porting? Are you oversizing? Are you over trading? Ask yourself those questions to be honest. Bro, silver almost hit like 90 last night, or light 90, right? I think. God damn, dude. I'm not in longs. This is the setup I'm looking for. You should come to London, bro. I don't have any interest in London, bro. Love the IG videos. I appreciate it, bro. Preach. I have so much stuff to record last night. I fell asleep at 7 p.m. I didn't get anything done. But divergence is growing. It's kind of I hate divergences, dude. What time did you knock out? Like at 12. Yeah, I have watched Naruto. I wasn't feeling well like yesterday. I mean, I was okay, but it was like I felt stuffy. So I laid down and I was watching the Texans game. And I remember it was like halftime. Or no, it was a little past halftime. It was like the third quarter. The score was 7-6, and I woke up, it was 30-6. I was like, holy shit. Turned my phone off and went back to bed. I'm guessing defense carried in the fourth quarter. Dude, that Texans defense is something, bro. I like CJ Stroud, so I hope he does good. But dude, he's so butt cheeks now compared to what he was. Like I had a 10K bet on Houston, and I fell asleep during the game. I woke up, I was like, oh, that's a pretty good payday, and then I went back to sleep. This was like the easiest bet of all time I've had. Like this is like, bro, no brainer, bro. I don't know how the odds are even that close. And then I looked at the Lakers score, bro. Lost to the Kings, and Luca had 42, and the rest of the team just, or LeBron had 22. The rest of the team just fucking shit the bed. Gotta make a trade, man. With the East being so close to data low, would you still be interested as long as about the sweep? No. At this point, it would probably have to be the sweep. This is a depressing ass price action, bro. Like the fact that we're not taking that 26-1 is cooking my higher time frame bias so hard because I understand we have a new week opening gap under us, like 300 points under, 400 points under us, but bro, it's so annoying not seeing new week opening gap get tapped into. Like it actually just if we tap or tap equal highs, excuse me. If we tap into this daily gap, I'm actually gonna look for a short initially when we tap into it. But we're just like wick, 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 and we're just not taking it out. I'm debating like jabbing some NDX when we tap these lows. Yeah, there's been a lot of divergences this week and last week as well. So we were kind of, I mean, we worked our way through it last week, but this week has been kind of patient about it. Yeah, the higher time frame does not look good. I'm not gonna lie. This is fucking. I mean, we tapped the 4 hour last night, which is fine. I have longs from the 4 hour from last night, but not delivering at all where I would want it to. I don't know where it's gonna go. Yeah, we have like a lot of highs up there. We have like 5, 6 relative equal highs up there. All right, let's see if we can get it here and actually get an SMT. I'm probably gonna take some QQ calls or NDX calls. Dude, he at the data low. Oh, it's the tariff decision tomorrow, bro. It's perfect. Tariff decision happens. We get no tariffs. Market goes to all time highs. We all happy. We throw a huge party, and then we're good, right? Is it actually tomorrow? I know they're supposed to do it the other day, right? But they canceled it or whatever. I'm pretty bullish. Like I said, I think we're gonna go to those highs. I don't know how we're gonna get there. Maybe that's gonna be a catalyst for us. No, they're for sure gonna say it's legal, bro. Not for sure, okay, obviously, but like I would lean towards them saying tariffs aren't constitutional or some shit. A rigged ass Supreme Court. They're like poly market odds. Bro, shout out Powell for not sucking Trump's dick and doing what he wants, bro. Chop, 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 chop. They would kill 10K protesters. All right, data low's coming. The money's gone. I know. All right, either go from here or we're gonna keep nuking. As simple as that. I would like to see like some like aggressive move up and then play like a fair value gap or something. Maybe something like above this. Let's see where this goes. Chat, how's your guys' week been so far? We're like what, 2 days in? 1.5. Think we holding in there. Hasn't been an easy week to start off, but anyone send any evals today for news? Today was a pretty good candle. Terrible. What happened? What happened? What happened? I just always try to be really patient with these type of weeks. Like I'll go like 2, 3 days without a trade because this is just not it. I feel like I could get very like tilty in this price action, going back and forth. I try to avoid it as best I can. Like I don't even like being live in this price action and even looking at the market. I always end up eating shit in this choppy. Yeah, exactly. Stay off. Like don't even look at the charts. Like close it up. If I wasn't live streaming right now, bro, I would not be looking at the charts at all. Like I would be off completely, like PC off, bro. I would go right back to bed, which is exactly what I'm about to do in approximately 25 minutes. Up 1300 and 185 to system. Close past me evo. Protect. No, no, we're not gonna blow it. Got this, bro. Got this. Down goes NQ. Yeah, I have no idea where we're gonna go now. It's kind of annoying. I'm not gonna lie. Avoided our longs, which is good. We didn't take that early setup. ES is dead. NQ's. I mean, we're not really dead. I mean, ES is down 0.2% on the day. ES is definitely a lot weaker. We'll see what happens. So frustrating. It is definitely frustrating, bro. It is. Because it's highs that don't get taken out, and I don't know what we're kind of waiting for, but definitely no. I would be interested in this. Probably like a wider stop though. The two. I'll probably go 2 to 1. Big F, but keep that there. Japanese bonds keep going up, not a bullish factor. And bonds in Japan. This Biden PA. Biden PA was clean. All right, chat. I'm gonna jab this for upside here, or play a wide stop loss to keep that in mind. Um, Size down is my best bet here, or my best advice. I'm only gonna risk like a couple hundred or a couple thousand. This is like the only trade that I'll actually think is possible that I like for upside. We got S&T at the lows. Check out data lows on both though. We have a 1 minute inversion here. This is like I said, this isn't like the highest probability setup, but I would say this is a setup that I would only take this morning. This is the only setup I'll take this morning. Yeah, I'm sized down. I'll add if we go and start validating this trade. There's no 15-minute gaps. There's no 5-minute gaps. There's nothing, bro. Look at this 5-minute chart. Yeah, if you still feel comfortable with this, stay out of it. Yep. I'd have been more open to downside even if you took out those highs from earlier. But damn, bro, they don't even take those out. Yes, they're just falling off a cliff. By the way, didn't hold the IFG, so like a pretty mass sign. Holy shit, this is so slow, dude. That 26-1, I have no idea when it's gonna get hit. Oh my god. Bro, look at the 5 minute. There's no gap at all, bro. Like, what the fuck is this, bro? Like, what is this higher time frame? What catalyst is it gonna be for these highs? I don't know when we're gonna take these highs out. All right, Ryan, I'm gonna read this out to you in chat so I can see you how retarded this sounds. Hey, Des, it's been a while for us since I sadly have to get a job. How is it sad they have to get a job? And on my day off, check out the markets. It's been a minute. What do you do? I recommend just full pour and pray for payouts. Brian, do you want my honest advice? If you want my honest advice, quit trading. It's not for everybody. It's not for 99% of people. I'll say 90% of people. Just quit. And that's just me being honest. Just quit, bro. That's the mentality you're gonna come with this. Just give it up. Like, I'm not even like trying to be like funny or anything like that. Like, you're gonna put yourself in a worse position, and you're gonna end up blowing all the money you're getting from your jobs, and just not gonna work out. You might get you might get like a payout or two, out of straight luck, but in the long run, it'll be he does have a job, you hoodie, but it's just not it. We're probably gonna get stopped out of this. This is the slow meltdown, unfortunately. All right, well, this market is just fucking chopping down to our stop loss. Let's do some giveaways. Let's see if this bot works finally. It does not. All right, let's do some smart prop firm points. All right, make sure you enter the giveaway in the Discord. It's free for everyone. We invite you guys. Got 5 minutes for 500 smart prop firm points. If you guys win, make sure to DM me your smart prop firm email so I can get it to the team as fast as possible. All right, chat. That's what's coming down to our stop loss. I try to keep this near the lows from overnight as like a protection, but It's not gonna happen. We're not down that much on NQ overall, 0.2%, but it's just been just very choppy on the higher time frame when we get these highs. When's the last time Brian streamed? Ask him. Let me check his page. I talk to him pretty often, but not like work-related stuff. Damn, he had to stream in 2 weeks. All right, chat. Unfortunately, we're about to get stopped out of this trade. GG's. We gave it a chance. Gave it a chance. Go for Asia lows, probably. Let me text him. When are you going to stream again? He's going to be on today, he said. All right, chat. I got hit for stop right there. I got hit for stop right there. The trade here was data low sweep, inversion gap. I was looking for the equal highs above and also the relative equal highs for daily. Let me take out this. All right, minus 7K today. Yeah, not the worst. Is that Asia low sweep? Yeah, back in that 4-hour gap. I don't know what we're gonna do from here. We'll see. Very annoying price action, but it is what it is. Yeah, it was a solid setup. I would what do you rate the setup? I'll rate it a B setup because ES wasn't fully in sync with NQ. But overall, it wasn't bad. Interested to see where you go from here. Like I said, we had the Asia low here, but I just sucks that we left these equal highs up here as well. There's a lot of equal highs being left above. Made it hard, but ES really did not make any type of effort to go even higher. It's just been chop, 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 dead, dead. Like when we moved up right on NQ and ES, let's look at this real quick. If we would have created SMT at these highs, which I guess we did, like the like these highs up here, but if we would have had an SMT here with ES and NQ, that would have been more, to me, that would have made more sense for downside, but obviously we didn't get that either. I kind of just started nuking. Not mad about it. It is what it is. All right, chat. I'm gonna wrap it up early here because I'm not really interested in this price action for us today. Like I said, one trade, one loss. I'm probably gonna call it there for today. Even with NDX, I'll be very cautious if I do take something. We'll definitely need like a higher time frame move, but this is not giving us anything. So looks like it's gonna be a classic sell day. All right, chat. Peace and love. Catch you guys in a bit. All right. If you guys are in the Discord, I'll be in there. All right. Peace and love. Peace and love.